Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from Sofi Invest to Sofi Money. So transferring money from Sofi Invest to Sofi Money typically involves the following steps. So all you have to do is you need to open up your application, or you can also use the web browser. Either way the procedure is going to remain the same. So I'm using a web browser. For that, type in sofi.com. That's going to direct you to the official web page of Sofi Money. You're logged into your Sofi Invest account. That's going to direct you to the home page. So here you need to look for the option or settings related to transferring funds between accounts. So there might be a specific section for transferring funds or an option like move money or transfer button. So select that. After that, select the source account, that is Sofi Invest, from which you want to transfer the money. After that, you need to select the destination account, that means Sofi Money, to where you actually want to transfer the funds. Enter the amount you wish to transfer, confirm the transaction details, including the account involved and the amount. Review the transaction, then you'll have to review the transfer information for accuracy. Confirm the transfer to initiate the process. Once confirmed, the transfer should be initiated. It might take a few business days for the funds to reflect in your Sofi Money account, as transfer between accounts often takes some processing time. So in that way you can transfer money from Sofi Invest to Sofi Money. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.